Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create a very simple soap in Blender. A very simple soap. So let's create a soap in Blender. First, I'm going to create one cube, default cube, and then I'm going to scale it in Z axis and Y axis. So we have something like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Ctrl 3 to add subdivision modifier, and then again I'm going to go in edit mode, select edge, and I'm going to add one edge here, and then after adding one edge I'm going to click and drag edge upward like this, and then modifier I'm going to apply 5 modifiers. So this is our soap, and then I'm going to go in object mode, add text, rotate text here in 90 degree, tap press tab to edit text, type soap and to the give thickness to the alphabet text like this, and then add some bevelness. Okay, so we have something like this. So add here, then select this text and add wait 1 minute, let me see. Shrink wrap modifier and target, click and drag here, and okay, it is not properly. Click here and go in object, convert to, cancel this, click here object, convert to mesh. So now this is mesh. Now let me try again the string wrap modifier, and then click and drag on offset. Okay, let it be. So what we have to do is cancel this modifier. What we have to do is add one edge, add one curve, press this and rotate it. Zero, and this also 0, minus 90. So we have something like this. To take this curve, click and drag here, go in edit mode, and just align the curve with our soap. Click and drag here. This also click and drag here. So we have something like this. So now what you have to do is go in object mode, select this, and then go and give curve modifier, and then select this curve, and then move, rotate it a little bit, move it little bit downwards. Okay, wait, rotate it little bit like this, and here type x-axis -1, and then again move, y-axis also -1. Okay, so we have something like this. Object, convert to mesh, and then delete this shit. You can drag here, blend, drag here, here. If you want, you can also rotate it a little bit like this. Select this, apply this, select this, and give boolean modifier, and then select this object, and then so we have something like this. Select this and apply this, and then delete this, give a pink color to this soap, and then press shift D to duplicate, press Y axis, shift D and Y, and here also go in edit mode, all, assign new material, and then give blue color, assign. So we have something like this. So these are our soap. Let me create one another object, scale it little bit like this, and scale it in this axis, and then apply all transformers, edit mode, edges, select all the edges, go in bevel and bevel little bit, and then add subdivision modifier, applied, give dark navy blue color, little bit darker. Okay, create another plane, scale it, add some lights to the scene, turn off the shadow, view the material, set our camera. If you want, you can also increase the glossiness of this material. So that's it, friend. Let's render this now. Let me adjust the scene again. Let's render this again. So that's it, friend. This is our final render. So this is a let me save this image. Save as JPG desktop, and I will name as so save. So this is our final render. So this is very easy model of soap for beginners. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.